Last weeks I've been making migration videos, and this is one another example of Linux Mint and all the best stuff, the diamonds. In my case, my diamond is Chadwm, and all the applications that we have and all the configurations that we have, I'd like to try and install them and on something other than Linux Mint XFCE or Cinnamon. There is also a version where they're linking to Debian rather than Ubuntu. So let's install. It's also a completely different installer. That's why I thought maybe I should just record it as well, because it looks quite different than the normal Calamares. What can we see? Where's Belgian, my friend? Can't find it. Sprache. Sprache is still English, right? I want my English from Botswana, Philippines, Singapore, United States. Okay, we found it. Next. And this needs to be correct. This needs to be Belgian. That's my keyboard. Azerty. Next. And all the rest is similar, right? It's similar. It's not exactly the same. It's similar what we do on Calamares. Okay. Next. Automated installation. Always do that. And then you say which one. This case as well. Otherwise we can't continue. Blah 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 blah. Yes, please. Raise me everything, right? Choices. Next, and this is it. And off we go. We'll wait for this installation to happen. And what we're gonna do is all the knowledge that we have from ArcoLinux and prior from ArcoLinux and prior from Ubuntu and prior from Linux Mint, etc. Right? Linux is something that you can, use a lifetime. And this is my GitHub, and I've been creating new repositories just to attract your attention. That guys, do not limit yourself to a certain distro, because Chadwm, what do I want? I want the desktop. I want applications, I want my printers to work, my Bluetooth to work. That's it. As an end user, we have certain expectations, and it's good, it's good. And all the rest is just stability, security, fast, etc. Right? And nice to look at. But that's very, very superficial, right? It's what's beneath it that's more important. And of course the deal breakers, things that don't work. So I've made some more attention on this particular GitHub, but all these guys, Nobara, Fedora, Debian, Alma Linux, Solus, Void, LMDE, right, that's the one we're doing now, even NixOS, and others like Mint here, Ubuntu. It's all about the knowledge to understand how is Linux working and what can I do with configurations and applications from Linux distributions from A till Z, a bit here, a piece there, a config there, an alias there, and then you have your own operating system. So that's the point, right? Think out of the box. My goal is, how can I migrate Chadwm to anything out there? If at some point in time Arch says we're gonna stop, I have alternatives. That's always good to know, and it feels secure, stable, right? And we think about the future. You never know. So let's pause the video here until it reboots. I see it's time to continue. Installation is now complete. Do you want to restart? Sure. So we're gonna remove the USB, but yeah, it's a virtual CD or DVD, my friend. So this is the look. 6.1 is the kernel here. I've not done an update yet, so probably get a new one in. But everything is covered, right? I believe in automation. I believe in scripting. So ArcoLinux Nemesis script is my automation thing. Let's first make this a little bit bigger. I guess it's 800 on 600 or something like that. That's nothing, right? No, 1224 and 76A, which needs to be this one. Apply, cancel changes, no, keep. Maybe when you are here, right, quick click to the themes and go for dark with orange. Voila, dark orange. We have an update down here, I see, but not really interested in updating this thing. But I'd like to make a folder called data, and inside the folder I'm gonna git clone. Now sudo apt install git. I suppose it's not there yet. That's one thing you need to do. Git clone https. And that's the thing, guys, it's free. GitHub, GitLab. Choose and create your project. Start with ArcoLinux Nemesis and gradually go change it the way you like it. So this is ArcoLinux Nemesis. I will run 0 current choices. Let's see if that's gonna do the trick. How do I know? Because it says all in one for LMDE6. Right, so we're good to go, except I should type my password first. And then basically in here, let's display this. Wow, how beautiful, right? Nobody can read this thing. So file, preferences, theme, brighter, thank you. So we have here a line that says if I find the word LMDE6, you go to the folder, to the folder, to the folder and run line, well, script number 1 in there. So personal settings, and we have Alma Linux here. We have all kinds of Linux distributions in here, and it's so simple. Just run the things, well, remove the things you don't want. Don't think there's a lot to remove in this case, but who knows, right? If there's something you say, no, never use that particular application, well, put it on the list for removal. And we have here the LMDE, so this guy, and we're running this. And this one is just saying run that one. So it's installing, well, first an update, an upgrade, then ChadWm, applications installation, even eventually local things, maybe if I will install something from local folder or something, PPA stuff from Snap. I have a keyboard from Corsair with all these colors. The applications exist to change the colors, so wow, fun stuff. Install design, and then the personal configuration, the really nitty-gritty things, right? Putting the dots on the I, so to speak, the cherry on the cake, right? Whatever you want to call it. That's fine-tuning it, so we love it, right? We find it awesome, and that's personal, of course. Thank God for that. Everybody has their own opinion what is awesome, but let's wait again till everything runs, and you'll see as an end result we'll have ChadWm. Well, we keep, of course, this guy. Well, not of course, not always, of course, but we do keep it in this case. And then we'll log into ChadWm and have a look. Pausing. And that's the fun with scripting, right? You just do something else on another computer, and you come back and you see, okay, it's all done. Then we need to restart. And then you see what the end result is when you run the script. So the reference here is Debian, right? We're not using Ubuntu stuff, Ubuntu repositories. We're linked onto Debian with its own versions. Now we need to log out. This will work splendidly. And I saw already a logo of any desk there. ChadWm. These are the others. Experimental. People trying to get it to work. Wayland. So there you go. And already we have some nice new wallpapers coming from Variety from Wallhaven. So everything is set, I don't need to do anything, it's all good. Super Shift Enter, there we are. Super Enter, great. Super X, Super Shift X, that's there. Super Q, Super Shift Q, and of course you can, if you install Discord, Firefox, Minstick, Power Control, Telegram, Vivaldi, it will run, and these are all our desktops, so we can have something open over here, and then we move here, and something over here, and we have a look. Okay, that's there, and that's there, okay? So yes, Chadwm works. This is a minor detail, so preferences up here, and then show icon on system tray, bye, and that's done. I'll never see it again. All right, cheers.